morning, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. I thought I'd just show you a few little bits and bobs that I've got. These are actually my Saleabration rewards that I spent. So some of them have gone, are going to be retiring. So this is one of those things. This is a Ribbon of Courage set, which I've wanted for a while. I thought it's good for doing charity cards because you can do whatever colour of the sort of charity ribbon you like. But also I just love the sentiments on this, and they're good for any card. But this is going to be retiring, so it's only available while stocks last now on the current catalogue. However, there is something replacing it, and the framelets which go with it are still carrying over into the new catalogue because they go with another set now, so they're going to still be available. So I got those, finally got my hands on Around the Corner, which is carrying on into the next catalogue, thankfully. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to using that. I'm probably going to use that today actually. I'm going to do my Positively Papercraft sketch challenge entries today, so I'll probably use that for that one. I just like that you can make nice plain simple cards with just the writing going around the corner. There's lots of the patterns as well as writing sentiments. And then Wonderful Moments, which is absolutely gorgeous, is carrying over. Yeah, beautiful set, so I got that as well. I also got this one, which isn't carrying over. This is Thankful Thoughts, but I've wanted this for a while as well, and I do send more thank you cards than anything else. And I've seen this one used quite a lot, and it's just makes a great card more or less on its own. So yeah, they're my stamp sets that I got with my rewards. I also got a couple of cardstock packs. Now, I've said this before as a tip: if you're wanting to build your supply of colours of cardstock, you can buy every single colour of the Stampin' Up range in an A4 pack of its own. I think it comes with 24 sheets per pack, or you can buy these colour collections which match up with the DSP stacks, and in them you get 3 colours. So it's a way of building up your stash of colours at less of a cost. So I've got this one, which is the Petal Promenade one, which has the petal pink, I think that's Mossy Meadow, and very vanilla cardstock. And sometimes the basics colours, your very vanilla, Whisper White, basic black, are the extra thick as well in these stacks. And then I got this one, which is the Garden Impressions, which has got these gorgeous colours in it. Okay, so you get 6 colours there for sort of the price of 2 if you like. And then I got some vellum cardstock because I needed some. And I think that was all. I opened this a few days ago, so I might have taken some other bits out and already started using them. But yeah, I think that was it from my Stampin' Up haul. My pre-order's gone in, so as soon as that comes I'll show you what I chose in that. And I've got some other little bits that I've purchased, such as this, which was a little resale buy that I made. If you're looking to save a little bit of money and you want good Stampin' Up quality, then look on resale sites. eBay tends to be prices can get ridiculously expensive on there, and you often find current stuff on there which shouldn't really be being sold on there by demonstrators at least. But you can go on to some of the Facebook groups, which is what I do. This was on Stamp with Joy. Gaynor was having a bit of a clear out, and there's a Stampin' Addicts UK. They have a good little marketplace for retired and current Stampin' Up. I think Stampin' Addicts UK have made a decision not to allow the sale of anything current by anybody, in the interest of protecting demonstrators' business. But yeah, some people choose to sell on their stuff. This is a retired set from last Christmas, Star of Light, and it's got lots of stamps in it. And I also got the dies, and I paid £20. I think it was £20 for this, posted, which is excellent value. It's a real bargain, and I'll make a lot of use of that at Christmas time. However, there are a couple of things. This swoosh here doesn't necessarily be used at Christmas. The little shine sentiment, these little sort of shining light sort of thing effects don't need to be used at Christmas, so you can use them any time. And then what Gaynor did very kindly was she threw in some extra bits and bobs for me, Christmas themed bits and bobs. So these are from the oh, look at that beautiful little tree. These ones are from, it's the Christmas, there was a Christmas suite where the paper was like patchwork, so they're from that, and I've got loads of that paper, so that will be good to use. And then she popped in some, these are Stampin' Up as well, little mini baubles and pegs, so they'll be great to use. And then this little set of dimensional Christmas stickers from Recollections. These are so cute, little snowmen and Santas. They look like snow globes. They're fab, so I'll be using those. So yeah, so that's a good way of saving a little bit of money as well. We'll just pop that in there. My nails are just shot to bits from all packing and unpacking and everything else. So that's it from me today for that. I've got another little haul I'm just about to do from Create and Craft, a few bits and bobs I bought. So stick around and you'll probably find that up pretty soon. But then I am going to be getting back to doing some crafting videos because I've just been gone too long. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.